How millions of Dunkin' Donuts are made in a factory. Donuts factory. Process. Dunkin' Donuts is a well-known name around the world, famous for its delicious coffee and an impressive variety of donuts. Every day, millions of customers flock to Dunkin' locations for their daily fix of fresh donuts and hot coffee. But have you ever wondered how Dunkin' Donuts are made? In this article, we'll explore the entire process of making Dunkin' Donuts, from the ingredients to the final product. You'll learn how these beloved treats are crafted and the steps that ensure every donut tastes just right. The history of Dunkin' Donuts. Before diving into the details of donut production, it's worth understanding how Dunkin' Donuts became such a popular brand. The company started back in 1948 when William Rosenberg opened a restaurant called Open Kettle. Initially, the restaurant focused on coffee, sandwiches, and pastries. Over time, Rosenberg noticed that people enjoyed dunking their donuts into their coffee, which gave him the idea to change the name to Dunkin' Donuts. This move focused the business entirely on donuts, making it the beloved brand it is today. Dunkin' Donuts now operates over 21,000 stores in 60 countries, serving millions of customers every day. How Dunkin' Donuts are produced. The different methods. There are several ways Dunkin' Donuts are produced, depending on the store's size and resources. Each store has its own method of acquiring donuts, and the quality of the donuts remains consistent across all locations. Some Dunkin' Donuts locations have an in-house kitchen where donuts are made fresh every day. These locations typically have a large kitchen that allows them to bake donuts on site, ensuring that each donut is freshly made. Many customers prefer these locations because they believe the donuts taste better and are more freshly made. Other Dunkin' Donuts stores get their donuts from a central kitchen, which acts like a factory. This central kitchen prepares donuts at night, and they are then delivered to various Dunkin' locations early in the morning. This method helps Dunkin' streamline the donut-making process and keep operations running smoothly, especially in busy areas. Lastly, some Dunkin' Donuts stores order pre-made, frozen donuts directly from Dunkin' factories. These donuts are frozen and shipped to stores where they are reheated before serving. This method ensures that stores can serve donuts without the need for a full kitchen setup. Ingredients. What goes into a Dunkin' Donut? No matter which method is used, Dunkin' Donuts uses high-quality ingredients to make sure their donuts taste great. The ingredients for the donuts are simple but essential to creating the perfect treat. The base of a Dunkin' Donut starts with enriched, unbleached wheat flour, which forms the dough. Other ingredients include palm oil, soybean oil, and vegetable oil, which are used for frying the donuts. Milk, both whole and skim, gives the donuts a rich, soft texture, while sugar and dextrose add the sweetness. In addition to the basic ingredients, Dunkin' Donuts uses a range of other ingredients, including egg yolks, salt, soy flour, cornstarch, and various leavening agents. Depending on the type of donut being made, there are additional ingredients like modified egg yolk, artificial flavors, and food coloring. All of these ingredients are sourced from reliable suppliers to ensure quality and consistency in every batch of donuts. Mixing the dough. The first step in creating Dunkin' Donuts is mixing the dough. In large Dunkin' factories, this is done with a machine called a spiral mixer. This large industrial machine combines all the ingredients to form a thick dough. Once the dough is mixed, it's laid out on conveyor belts where rollers help flatten it into thin sheets. The dough is carefully rolled out to ensure an even thickness across the entire batch. This process is automated for efficiency and accuracy, ensuring that each donut is uniform in shape and size. As the dough moves along the conveyor belt, it is lightly dusted with flour to prevent it from sticking to the machinery. Once the dough has been flattened, it's cut into donut shapes. The dough goes through a cutting machine that shapes it into perfect circles, just like the donuts you see in the store. Shaping and frying the donuts. After the dough is shaped, it's time to fry the donuts. Dunkin' Donuts uses a special blend of oils, including palm oil, cottonseed oil, and soy oil, to fry their donuts. The oil is heated to a stable temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure the donuts cook evenly. The donuts are placed in large vats of hot oil, where they cook for about 45 seconds on one side. After that, they are flipped over to fry for another 45 seconds on the other side. The flipping process is very important. It ensures that the donuts cook evenly and do not burn. For stores that make donuts in-house, the frying process is done manually. But Dunkin' Donuts factories use machines that automatically flip the donuts and maintain the frying time. The donuts are then removed from the oil and placed on cooling plates where excess oil drains away. Glazing and topping the donuts. Once the donuts are fried to perfection, it's time to glaze them. Dunkin' Donuts is well known for its sweet, glossy glaze, and the process of glazing is done with great care. The donuts are placed on a rack and passed through a glazing machine, which coats the donuts in a smooth, sugary glaze. Some donuts are just glazed with a classic sugar glaze, while others might be coated with different flavors like chocolate or strawberry. Dunkin' Donuts also offers donuts that are topped with other ingredients like coconut, sprinkles, or even filled with cream or jelly. In factories, the filling process is automated. Donuts that are meant to be filled with jelly, cream, or other flavors pass through a special machine where the fillings are injected into the donut. This ensures that each donut is evenly filled with the perfect amount of flavor. Popular Dunkin' Donut flavors. Dunkin' Donuts offers a wide variety of flavors, each designed to satisfy different taste preferences. The classic glazed donut is always a favorite, but there are many other options to choose from. Some of the most popular flavors include chocolate cream-filled donuts, jelly donuts, apple fritters, Boston cream donuts, strawberry frosted donuts, powdered sugar donuts, and maple donuts. Dunkin' also offers donuts filled with vanilla cream, blueberry glaze, and chocolate, as well as old-fashioned donuts and French crullers. Each flavor is designed to meet the tastes of Dunkin' Donuts customers, ensuring that everyone can find a donut they love. For those who prefer something a little extra, Dunkin' Donuts also offers a range of donuts with creative toppings like coconut shavings, chocolate drizzle, and sprinkles. Final touches: adding toppings and packing the donuts. After the donuts are glazed and filled, they receive their final touches. For donuts that require extra toppings, these are added at this stage. Toppings like nuts, sprinkles, and coconut shavings are added automatically as the donuts move along the conveyor belt. Once all the donuts have been topped and glazed, they are ready to be packed. The donuts are carefully sealed and packaged, ensuring that they remain fresh for customers. After packaging, the donuts are shipped to Dunkin' Donuts locations around the world, ready for customers to enjoy. From the moment the ingredients are mixed to the final packaging, Dunkin' Donuts puts a lot of care and effort into making sure each donut is delicious. Whether the donuts are made in-house, delivered from a central kitchen, or shipped frozen from the factory, Dunkin' ensures that every donut meets their high-quality standards. Next time you grab your favorite Dunkin' Donut, you'll know exactly how it was made, from the dough mixing to the frying and glazing, and finally, the packaging. So, enjoy your donut and coffee knowing that behind every bite is a dedicated process that guarantees you get the best donut every time.